did, I made a quick tomato sauce from the olive oil, onions, garlic powder.
Nice.
And tomatoes. We took the pasta, which is the penne pasta, just boiled it in solid water.
Sure.
I took chicken breast, seasoned it with a little chili powder, because I want a little spice.
Nice, great.
Salt and pepper, and thinly chopped it. So it's really quick, it's done. It takes seconds to cook.
It smells
now,
delicious.
the only thing I got to worry about is this bread.
Is the bread. What are you going to do with
Because
that?
I'm trying to, I tried to dry it, and hopefully it'll work. And if it doesn't, well, I
Make
failed.
a little breadcrumb topping?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I was looking for some cheese, but...
Hey, we saw some scary
Need a
moments
little
there.
strength to pull
We
that
need
up?
some grated cheese. Hey guys, give me some grated cheese.
Right.
Goldie, see if they got any grated cheese.
Beautiful.
So Robert, can I ask you something? In 100 episodes, we saw some scary moments there, the shrimp excrement.
Oh, jeez.
But what were some of your most memorable moments?
You know, we've done 108, actually. You were seeing, you just saw
Right.
100 last night. And the cool thing is we get to change people's lives. The main dish in Alabama, Ken and Lynn Tyverberg, and their two daughters.
Thank you, Grant.
Oh, thank you. We had some great moments with them. And when you see their faces and you save the restaurant and then you sort their money worries out, it's kind of interesting.
It literally changes their lives.
The moments stay with you.
Their family businesses, yeah.
Listen, what do you cook and what do you eat to get those arms?
Yeah, what do you eat?
Huh? You
He
know,
looks like a superhero, doesn't he?
does.
I'm a big workout freak, and so is my wife. You know, we travel with the globe. We just come back from Afghanistan and Abu Dhabi with the troops.
Wow.
So we lead that life of fitness. And
What do you like to eat? Do you eat pasta?
I eat everything.
Do you eat everything?
I eat everything. Blue
Great.
cheese, steak, pasta.
Nice.
They always say to me, you know, you can't say pasta or,
Yeah.
you know, correctly. I'm from England. That's how we say pasta.
That's how you
Right?
say it.
So, little cheese. Again, very simple. And I know that people work, you know, 2 or 3 jobs, and you got to get home and get food done really quickly. You know, pasta is the quickest way. You can prep this a day before, or like me, 10 minutes. And, you know, there you go. Something quick, something simple.
Robert, if you had
And I forgot.
And you forgot
Whoops.
your breadcrumbs. Careful of your fingers, Robert. You look like a superhero, but you're human.